So the next big studio is probably ILM, and they have some of the best explosions. And one of my personal favorite shot is the Jeddah destruction. And again, this is the spoiler from Rogue One movie. If you haven't seen it, you probably can skip this because we're going to be creating the explosion. And this is the shot that we tried to replicate. So this is the explosion. There's a beam there's a beam hitting the ground, and then we have all these nice rings and explosions. And as I was saying, there's a lot of research, there's a lot of concept art that went into creating this, and to make it look as good as ILM, concept art is a huge challenge by itself, let alone creating the effects. So if we get to 80% close to what ILM did, then I think we have a very good starting point. So we're gonna try to recreate something similar. We're gonna customize the solver to give us the look and the feel that we want, and we're gonna do a lot of visual research. So this will be covered in the second half of the workshop. And our idea is we're gonna explain Houdini, as I said, go over Weta example, and then various other explosion types, and then the nuclear explosion. And each one of them, we're going to use a different render. So we're going to cover Mantra, and we're going to cover Nuke. And by the end, if we get you guys to become really comfortable creating explosion, rendering them, doing visual research in Nuke, then we have achieved the goal, and that would be a huge achievement, and that's what we're looking to accomplish. So this is the reference, and we'll study it more later once we start building the effects. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.